It's cheap. Hoover's now doing from the final ends. We're just doing for the final ends anyway, yeah. Yeah, it's just doing from the final ends anyway, yeah. It's got 3 minutes left, it's got 3 minutes left anyway, yeah. Yeah, it's about to go for the final spin now, 1000 RPM anyway, yeah, 1000 RPM spin. Bass and trash again. That's 1000 dropping spin it is, that's 1000 dropping spin it is, yep. I think it doesn't do the anti-crease on this one, it doesn't do the anti-crease on this one, but it only does the anti-crease the only time, because it says end at the minute, it's no end at the minute, because we've got a next slot to put in, we have got a next slot to put in, which is the colours we've got to put in, some colours we have to put in as well, because yeah, because obviously we've got colours to put in, because in this new machine, because I might be able to film the dry, because we'll have to just see what my auntie says, because I know, because my auntie used to put on the rapid, he does, because my auntie's used to put on like rapid, he used to put on rapid, because the towels is used for his rapid, because that's why, because the towels does the rapids 14-30-44, because but because we never do, because we haven't got a rapid on in our new machine, which is a blooming DYN9144D3X, because we got that, because we've got that machine as well, because which does do the fast full load, it does, and does digitally and power stream, it does. Those are what I used to film anyway. But this machine doesn't do the power stream, because I don't think, because this machine doesn't do like a power stream and that sort of thing, because but we haven't used like colours before, because just takes a long wash, it does, really, because colours is used for taking a long wash, it does, really, but I was going to leave it like that a second, but okay, just bye.